making these turns is pretty darn stressful, folks. You've got to pay attention to things like trash cans, cars sitting out in the middle of the road, and you just take your time when you're leaving a campground. This campground has been absolutely fantastic, and it's owned by the city of Flower Mound. And you can see all of the sites are concrete. Everything is well maintained. Yesterday, I saw them working really hard on the lawns and on the grass. I am thoroughly impressed with what the city of Flower Mound has done here in the suburbs of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And for folks in Belmont, maybe we could have a city park like this. You know, it's gorgeous. I really like it.